Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Happy Monday. So I wanted to do a quick do-it-yourself easy video for something for skin support. So this is something I like to do when I get my new Yarrow Palm Body Renewal Serum. So especially since we can get Rose free when we cash in our points. And since we actually have Rose available, I like to add it this way. I was doing before, I was taking the Rose Touch and adding it in for additional support for my skin. Hi, Molly. You guys can probably hear the click clacking of her feet on the floor, but she's coming in to check it out. So this is the Yarrow Palm Body Renewal. This is brand new. This is what I got this month in my box, and I use this every night and every morning on my body, my legs, on any of my scars that I've been working on, because I have a lot of those, and then on my arms, and sometimes on my face, especially my neck. And I used it last night because I got a lot of sun. I was really red last night, and this is my go-to for being in the sun, that sort of thing, but also just supporting my body, because I had so much toxins in my body over the years from antibiotics and things like that, from having the Lyme disease, and just probably didn't eat the best when I was growing up. I guess I still loved my fruits and veggies and would eat as much as I could, but I know my gut was not the happiest, so I wasn't getting the right nutrients, and my skin was never really the happiest. So I had a lot of scars from acne and that sort of thing. So I love using the Immortelle, but I also love having this now. This is kind of my go-to baby in my daily use. So I'm going to show you what I do with my Rose in this. So this is brand new. Like I said, we're opening it. And I'm trying to make sure it's not gonna leak everywhere. I'm gonna actually set that on me. So I have here my Rose. I'm gonna open it. I love it. And I'm gonna add to this large bottle. It's 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces. I'm gonna start with 15 drops, okay, and see what I think. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. There are times I've added Immortelle in here, but I've really found having just the Rose and what's already in here has been enough for my skin. I don't know, less is more for me on that manner of speaking. So I usually put this on. Oh, it's kind of open. And then I shake. So I can get that Rose kind of combined. And usually I go in and I kind of smell and make sure I can smell it a little at least. Oh yeah, I do. So 15 is kind of my magic. Sometimes I'll add 20 if there's times that I kind of use it and I don't notice the same results. I may just roll on some of the Touch as well. But typically, see, it's closed, brand new. Typically, I rub it on my body like so. It's like a lotion for me, and I love it. Love it. So that is my little tip to help support your skin, especially if you've been still going in the sun, enjoying the sun. Great for after sun care, great for your skin overall. Again, it's great for any aging skin, that sort of thing. It's an amazing combo. And Rose is also great for supporting your immune system. So it's doing multiple things and supporting your body all at the same time. So that's what I do with that. Some of you had asked me to show you what I do when you saw that I had these together, and I mentioned I put them together. And again, 15 drops is what I put in here. Sometimes I add more. But that's what I tend to do. Before I used to do like a little bit, a quarter of the roller and added it in, but that's what I do. All right, hope you all have a great Monday. Bye everyone.